create a new file in your OneDrive for Business, you need to go to your Office 365 portal, click on OneDrive, and this is how your OneDrive for Business screen will look like. Here, you have to go to New, select the file type you want to create like Word, Excel, PowerPoint. I will select Word. My new Word file has been created. If I want to rename the file, I can directly go over here. So this is my new Word file. If I want to rename it, I can simply go over here and type whatever name I want to give. I will type new Word file, and that's it. I have renamed my file. I can type over here. Now if I close it, so if I go on my Word file and new Word file, I can see the content I have written in my Word file. So this is how you can create different files in OneDrive.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. For more of such videos on Microsoft Office 365 features, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, that's Foetron Cloud Academy. Thank you.